At Triumph Motorcycles, we're just as passionate about your motorbike as you are. When you book it in for a service at one of our dealerships, we want to make sure your motorcycle is serviced by the very best. Before any work starts, we will always provide you with a pricing estimate up front, and you have the option to wait in our dealership. With prior notice, alternative transport can be arranged to keep you mobile. We pledge to update you if anything unexpected is required, giving you full peace of mind that your motorcycle is in safe hands. With our specialist Triumph technicians, we have access to specialist tools approved by Triumph that allow us to inspect and work on every detail of your motorbike. We will carry out a comprehensive motorcycle health check, software update, and look for any outstanding service bulletins. At all of our authorised Triumph dealerships, our technicians have immediate access to the latest Triumph technical data. All genuine Triumph parts fitted will come with a 2-year warranty. Our Triumph dealerships can also offer additional services, such as supplying and fitting Triumph recommended tyres that have been designed and tested specifically for your motorcycle. Upon returning your motorcycle, we will talk you through the invoice, introduce you to our customer satisfaction survey that will be sent to you following your visit, and make sure we inform you about when your next service is due. Your motorcycle will be handed back with a complimentary hand wash finish, ensuring your bike is always looking at its best. And finally, just to make sure you're completely satisfied, our team will contact you 24 hours after your visit to make sure you're completely contented with our service.
The reason why I keep bringing my bike back for servicing with Triumph is really so I get the reassurance that the technicians that are looking after it and repairing it know the bike inside out.
I also think that they will always have the latest information from Triumph, so they would be aware of any part recalls or any software updates that would be available to my bike.
I come back to Triumph service for residual value. When I sell that bike on, I know it's got full Triumph history, and that's a real good thing for me to get better value in trade-ins.